I didn't do on purpose, but this is the color of the Italian flag. Ciao, it's Marco from Deli Vita, and I'm going to show you how to make an awesome fillet steak salad in our wood fire oven, served with homemade chimichurri. I'm sorry you can't try it, but you can make your own. Fillet steak salad, obviously, we need our fillet. It's a very special cut of meat. So what we have to do, we have to treat it with respect and cook it with love. So we're going to do olive oil, okay? On both sides. Okay, this is dry aged Angus fillet, okay? So generous with the salt, okay? Okay, bam, to the side, in here, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna kind of do that, bam, and that, okay? So olive oil, salt and pepper. Okay, you can be generous. It's so beautiful, you can almost eat it like this, 3 steaks, okay, yeah. Like this, okay. Here we have our 3 gorgeous steaks, okay, 500 grams, off we go. Now, while the oven gets up to temperature, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and prepare our salad. You can use any salad you like, okay? But what I like is nice peppery leaves, you know, watercress, nice spicy, you know, wild rocket, okay? And then you put on your either chopping board or it's really cool on a like serving platter. I do like the look of the chopping board. Some nice tomato. Okay, like so. We go ahead and put some mozzarella in there, okay? Some nice fresh, this is organic actually. Some nice chunks like that, okay? I just love mozzarella, sorry. It's so nice. Drizzle of olive oil, our good olive oil. Yeah, little bit of salt. Not too much. Okay, so the chimichurri will be our dressing. Just like this is already a meal, but you are not here just to see the salad, You want to see the meat, with the wood fire oven, okay? And now we get into it. Cast iron dish into the oven to get hot, okay? You want that cast iron dish to be super hot, okay? You leave inside 3, 4, 5 minutes, you know? So now, our cast iron dish is super hot. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go with our fillet steak, okay, to create a nice sear. Yeah. So you almost begin cutting on his own, okay, bam. And now inside, okay? So now we're gonna have to do a couple of minutes each side. So the beauty of the cast iron dish, or the round cast iron dish, will allow you to spin, okay? Because most of the heat is at the back, so you don't have to take it out. So we don't want to overcook this. Inside we want to get maximum to 48 degrees, okay? About that. Okay, now we're gonna turn them, okay? Need a little bit longer. Okay, and we can rest them, okay? And they're gonna keep cooking. While our oven was getting up to temperature, I roasted some nice peppers, okay? Which go very well with this dish too. So now we're gonna go on and chop our roasted pepper, okay? It's gonna add like a little sweetness to this beautiful recipe. What you want to do now with this beautiful steak, look at the beautiful sear, we want to go and cut it, but don't go down straight. Yeah, so we go in not from the top. We're going in. How do you say this, Beth? Diagonal. You go. We go diagonal. Okay. So when we're gonna go and serve, we can kind of spread it like that, and then you see our sauce will go into it, and it will be gorgeous. Okay. Okay. Look how beautiful it is. It's beautifully cooked, Look. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and finish off with our chimichurri and the grilled peppers, okay? Look at this. Now we're gonna lift it with this sweetness on top. Look how nice it is. Do you have a fork? Okay, so now is the moment of truth. We try to get all the ingredients. Little bit of our salad, our steak, our chimichurri. Little bit of cheese. Everything, and we put it and we try all. It's perfect. It doesn't even need nothing. It's perfect. No, honestly.
Oh wow, no, it's dripping, it's dripping.
Sorry, I know.
Could we maybe do that piece in this one?
I think we got a good one. I think we got something there.
Guys, wait a second. I don't want you to. You have to try it.